Welcome back everyone. While you watch the Zontes factory technicians show you how to perfectly disassemble the front end of the scooter, I thought this would be a great opportunity to talk about the features and benefits of the scooter. The sequence of the strip down is with Chinese subtitles which I cannot read, so if you're in the same boat, then the video shows in great detail how to do it yourself. Unfortunately, like many countries, the importers only bring in certain models, which they deem will sell well in their country. United Kingdom is the same. The importer only brings in certain models from the range, which is a shame. Their reason is that they have to stock all parts for a model they stock. Well, here goes, with features and benefits that a buyer would want to know. The Zontes 368K scooter is a real eye-catcher and has everything you could wish for from a modern mid-range scooter. With its 368 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, it delivers 38 horsepower at 7.500 revolutions per minute. In addition, there is 40 Nm of torque at 6.000 rpm, which means that it is a dynamic companion both in the city and on longer journeys. The scooter scores with a great fuel efficiency of 28.57 km per litre and a large 17-litre fuel tank. The digital full-color TFT display, smartphone connectivity, ABS and multiple driving modes raise the 368K to a top technical level. In addition, the adjustable chassis ensures a comfortable driving experience, whether in the hustle and bustle of the city or on adventurous country roads. The mix of performance, comfort and high-tech makes the Zontes 368K unique. It is for everyone who values modern design, powerful performance and suitability for everyday use. Sleek and modern aesthetics with sharp headlights featuring 6 cubic-style LED bulbs and a long-running stripe. Advanced braking system and ABS enhance rider safety. The distinctive combination rear tail lights and position lights with flowing water effect when turned on make the lighting more ceremonial and also make the brake and turn warnings more eye-catching and safer. The sleek, widened and raised electric windshield directs oncoming wind toward the top of your head and all around, making it easy to keep out the cold wind during long-distance travel and high-speed cruising. You can ride more freely in the cold winter and enjoy the scenery along the way. The newly developed sofa-grade seat cushion with lumbar support is thick, soft, spacious and comfortable, allowing you to enjoy luxury. Equipped with a pneumatic damping rod, it is more convenient and stable to open and close. The luxurious and elegant center control panel is matched with shiny electroplated decorative parts, showing the beauty of grandeur. The one-piece aluminium alloy handlebar can be adjusted in 2 positions, front and back, and comes standard with 2 handlebar covers for non-destructive installation of the phone holder. The carefully designed original modular magnesium alloy shelves have exquisite structure, simple and elegant style, strong and durable, meeting daily practical needs. Newly tuned front and rear shock absorbers provide smoother operation and enhanced shock filtering capabilities, effectively filtering out small bumps on the road and providing better support on undulating roads. J1 opposed 4-piston radial calipers, combined with enlarged disc brakes, ensure stable emergency braking and short braking distance, effectively improving braking efficiency. The wide-surface water-cooled radiator is a powerful aid that enables the high-performance engine to fully exert its power, prevents the water temperature from exceeding the limit, and makes low temperature starting smoother. The newly designed muffler has an upgraded appearance and texture, while also improving the internal piping structure of the cavity, which increases power and makes the sound more powerful. The 3.0 generation keyless control system supports communication and real-time communication with ECU, instruments, etc. It is equipped with 4G, GPS and Bluetooth functions, mini keys, and intimate sensing to awaken full power for every trip. The 6.75-inch TFT full-color LCD instrument has a concise and clear interface and supports simultaneous connection to mobile phones and Bluetooth headsets and helmets. Front/rear dual-camera driving recorder, 128 GB storage, equipped with Sony Starlight night vision sensor, 1080p HD image quality. 150 degrees wide angle, f1.8 large aperture, allowing you to fully enjoy the fun of modern technology. There is much more tech than I have mentioned. Please take a look at Zontes.